Airplane in the bathroom. Airplane, bathroom. There will be a bathroom on the airplane. It's usually at the back of the airplane. You might want to take a look at the bathroom before you take off so that you know where to go if you decide that you need to use it while you're in the air. The bathroom will be smaller than your bathroom at home, so you might feel a little bit cramped if you need to use it. Follow all the same rules as when you're using the bathroom at home. Don't be afraid to flush. The waste goes into a holding area within the plane. Ta-da!